Welcome to Tally Help Videos. Tally Prime with WhatsApp for Business has made sharing of business document with parties a lot easier. But what if your business consists of more than one Tally Prime users and you want to set the roles or boundaries for the admin as well as other users? Don't worry. Tally Prime has just the right solution for you, using which you can set up permissions for users under user roles. This video will show how you can restrict users from adding business WhatsApp numbers, sharing vouchers belonging to certain voucher types, before saving, sharing reports, and using a specific WhatsApp number for sending documents. First, let's see how to restrict a user from adding a WhatsApp number in Tally Prime. Based on your business practices, you might need to restrict certain users from adding or modifying registered business WhatsApp numbers in Tally Prime. If you wish, you can allow only the admin user to manage the business WhatsApp number for the company. This helps in preventing unauthorized addition or modification of the registered numbers. To restrict the user from adding a WhatsApp number, open Tally Prime, press Alt+K, Company, and select User Roles. Now, select the security level. For example, Data Entry. In the security level screen, set Allow to add/modify registered WhatsApp number to No. Press Ctrl+A to save. Once you save the screen, the users with data entry user role will be restricted from adding, modifying, or deleting any registered business WhatsApp numbers in Tally Prime. Now, let's see how to prevent a user from sharing vouchers belonging to certain voucher types before saving in Tally Prime. In Tally Prime, press Alt+K, Company, and select User Roles. Now, select the security level. For example, Data Entry. In the security level screen, set the option Set/Alter Rules for Print Voucher before saving to Yes and press Enter. In the Print Voucher Before Save screen, select the voucher types that you want to allow or disallow from being shared through WhatsApp. Press Ctrl+A to save. Once you save the screen, users under the selected user role will not be able to share the specific vouchers belonging to that particular voucher type through WhatsApp before saving them. This configuration is also applicable for export, print, and email features. This restriction does not apply to the existing vouchers, and the user can share the specific vouchers from Daybook even if the particular voucher types are disallowed from being shared through WhatsApp. Now, let's see how to restrict users from sharing specific reports using the WhatsApp feature. In Tally Prime, press Alt+K, Company, and select User Roles. Now, select the security level. For example, Data Entry. In the security level screen, select Display/Print/Export/Share from Type of Access and press Enter. Select the particular report from the list of reports that you wish to restrict users under a selected user role from sharing. Similarly, you can select other reports that you want to restrict the user role from sharing. Accept the screen. Once you save the screen, the users under a selected user role will not be able to access the report and therefore cannot share using the WhatsApp feature in Tally Prime. Now, let's see how to disallow a user from using one or more registered WhatsApp numbers while sending invoices or reports to parties. In Tally Prime, press Alt+K, Company, and select Users and Passwords. To configure the registered WhatsApp numbers, press F12, Configure, and set Disallow Registered WhatsApp Number to Yes. Press Ctrl+A to save. In the Users for Company screen, fill in the user roles along with the username, password and other details, and set Disallow Registered Business WhatsApp Numbers to Yes. Select the registered business WhatsApp numbers that you want to disallow the user from using while sharing documents. You can also select all WhatsApp numbers if needed and select End of List. Press Ctrl+A to save. Once you save the screen, the user under the selected user role will not be able to use the specified WhatsApp numbers for sharing documents from Tally Prime. While sharing a document through WhatsApp in Tally Prime, the WhatsApp number that you have disallowed will not appear in the WhatsApp from field for that user. As you saw, you can easily set up the required security for users under any user roles from sharing business documents through the WhatsApp feature.